Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you shop more conveniently with merchandise mobile checkouts at participating stores and use a digital room key if you are staying at a Disneyland resort hotel. So these features help you save time by avoiding checkout lines and allowing you to unlock your hotel room with your phone. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use mobile checkout for shopping and the digital room key in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for making your Disneyland visit even more convenient. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, like sign into your Disney account, use mobile checkout for shopping like at a participating merchandise location, tap the plus button or open merchandise mobile checkout. Scan each item's barcode using your phone's camera. View your shopping cart and your selected items will appear in your digital cards. Okay, select your purchase like before leaving the store, review your order summary, choose your payments method and tap pay or complete purchase. A digital receipt will be generated in the app, so show your receipt like after paying, present your digital receipt to the cast member at the mobile checkout exit if requested, and follow any additional instructions before leaving the store. Okay, then access your digital room key like if you're staying at a Disneyland Resort hotel, complete online check-in in the Disneyland app before arrival and wait until you receive a notification that your room is ready and open your hotel reservation in the app. And then unlock your hotel room, like when you arrive at your room, tap unlock door in the Disneyland app, hold your phone near the door lock if prompted and wait for the door to unlock. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.